right, since na-launch na natin yung bago nating segment dito sa Lecheng Pag-ibig to, which is Ako Ba Mali? This time, diretso na tayo agad bago yung letter natin.
Okay,
so,
fire.
madalas nangyayari to sa mga magjojowa, mapabago or matagal na. Nangyayari ba sa inyo yung ganito kunwari nasa isa kayong restaurant? Kahit hindi sa restaurant
Hit me, DJ Chacha. What is that situation?
Okay, mag-order lang ng food, halimbawa, ganyan. Anong kakainin for lunch, for example? Tatanungin namin kayo, anong ulam gusto mo?
Ikaw bahala.
Yan. Diba? Tapos pag sumagot ka, magsasuggest kami ng iba. Kaya sumagot si Sam ng sinigang.
Adobo. Sinigang.
Ay, adobo? Nag-adobo na tayo last time. So, sasagot ulit yung guy na, hindi, ikaw na bahala. The ikaw na bahala syndrome or attitude ng mga lalaki. My
Pati
gosh.
babae, no, it's not just a guy
No.
thing.
This is really for men talaga. Mas
Are you
madalas talaga to
serious?
sa inyo. I swear, si Mike is always like that. Kapag
Kasi
tinanong ka, anong ulam gusto mo? Ikaw na bahala. Saan tayo kakain? Ikaw na bahala. Anong gagawin natin sa Japan? Ikaw na bahala. Pupunta pa tayo ng Boracay? Ikaw na bahala.
Okay. With that, tapos ikaw yung pumili, tapos medyo nagtampo or nagalit.
Hindi siya ganun eh. Pero minsan, di ba, nasa-stress yung mga girls sa parang, ano ba? Magsabi ka naman kung anong gusto mo. Kasi okay nga yung hindi nagagalit. But there are also moments na nauubos din kami ng iniisip kung anong kakainin, saan tayo pupunta, ano pwedeng gawin. Di ba din kayo mauna mag-isip? What to do, what to eat?
My answer to this situation is, this is what I do, no? Because like I said, like you said, no, it happens to a lot of couples, but happens to us as well. This is what I normally do. And I think Esa also, parang pareho na kami na style when it comes to it, no? Para mapadali ang mga ganyang situation, no? I narrow down choices.
At least you have choices.
So let's say, diba? Saan tayo kain? Ikaw na bahala. Saan tayo kakain? Ikaw na bahala. Ano kakain natin? Ikaw na bahala. What I'll do is, let's say, pa-deliver. I'll get on Grab food. Check ko na, no? Kung ano yung mga, let's say, siguro ako yung type ko. Na-narrow ko na siya to 3 choices all the time.
Tapos papipiliin mo siya.
Oo. Tapos yung 3 choices na type ko na rin, papiliin ko na siya doon.
What if dun sa 3 choices, wala pa siyang pinili?
Nangyayari rin naman yan.
Di ba, right?
Pag nangyayari naman yan, I'll extend the list. At least alam ko yung 3 yun, tinatanggal ko na. Bibigyan ako ng bagong 3 options. Worst case, I would ask her, anong cuisine gusto mo? Gusto mo mag-Chinese? Gusto mo mag-Japanese? Para at least from there, kasi it's all about narrowing down choices eh. Kasi minsan, nakaka-overwhelm naman talaga. You're so busy. You're doing a lot of things. Tapos tatanungin ka pa saan tayo kakain. Ikaw, wala na akong pakidyan po siya. Gusto ko lang kumain. Ikaw lang pumili. Diba? Not a bad thing.
Minsan sa sobrang dami namang choices, parang, diba, ano ka, parang nalulula ka siya. Kasi ang dami, lahat gusto mo.
And that's why sometimes, diba, ang lakas pa rin ng kita ng mga fast foods, mga joints that only serve, let's say, hamburgers. Diba? That serve wings. Ang daming mga wings shop, shawarma. Kasi yun, alam mo na what you're gonna get. Sometimes when you get to a restaurant, diba, you look at the menu, it becomes overwhelming.
True!
Shit, dami pagkain dito. Hindi ko na makakainin ko. Happens. So, ako ba mali na, alam mo yun,
or mali ba yung ikaw na bahala? Dahil kasi minsan naman, kaya rin naman sinasabi ng mga boylets yun, dahil parang wala nang argument. Kasi nga, dami yung alam girls eh. So,
I don't think mali siya. Ay, wait! I have a book. Sorry, na-excite ako bigla.
Wow.
Kasi I just got this 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I ordered it from Lazada. I was in Bohol hosting an event. Tapos I was in, I think the one of the lounge areas. Tapos nakita ko yung book so I grabbed it. There was one of the books lying around there, no? It's Tatler's Dining Guide 2023.
Okay.
So I looked it up. It's 700 pesos. Looked it up on Lazada. Ordered it. Oh my God. Chacha. Lifesaver.
Because?
All the practically good restaurants, from cuisines to budget to what to order.
Nandun na lahat.
Saan ang location.
Nice.
So if you guys are having a hard
so
time.
So pwedeng yan na ang solusyon ng mga kakainin. Bahala na.
Because kahit ano to, we're not just talking about Metro Manila. We're talking about Cebu. We're talking about Davao. It's a Philippine-wide. Say, you guys are planning a trip to Bohol. Pati sa Bohol. Ito na yung mga good places na kainan. And it's not intimidating kasi hindi siya lahat mahal. Pagdating sa
May
Chinese
budget
restaurants,
friendly. Sabi
Yes.
mo nga kanina.
may Chinese restaurants, may Spanish food, depends on the cuisine, meron din.
Pero, Sam, sa pagkain yan, marami pa kaming ibang tanong. Marami pa
Marami
kaming
talaga
gustong
kayong tanong.
malaman.
Marami
Tapos ang
talaga
sagot
kayong
nyo lang,
tanong.
bahala ka na.
Ikaw na bahala.
Or ikaw na bahala. Hindi ba pwedeng pag tinanong kayo specific?
Minsan nga kasi, as I mentioned earlier, it's just, like when I say that, ako personally, no, it's either I'm too busy, na ang dami ko lang iniisip at the moment, no, na parang magulo yung brain ko na ayoko na siya ilagay sa iba pang, ang dami ko naman parang iniisip, ayoko na maglagay pa ng isa pang
Pero hindi
to-do
ba
list.
sinasagot nyo nga lang yun sa amin dahil ayaw nyo ng argument? Kasi parang kadalasan babae, pag sumagot kayo, may rebuttal kami agad din. Hindi, ito na lang.
I
Hindi tayo
know
kain,
for
hindi,
some
ito na
people,
lang.
yes, na ayaw lang makipag-away. Pero for me, when I say that, it's just because I probably don't have time to deal with that particular situation right now.
Oh, at
Pero not 'cause
least,
because I'm angry.
pag sinagot sa akin ng asawa ko next time yung bahala ka na, yan na lang diniisipin ko. Hindi dahil, ayaw mo na naman makipagtalo, kaya ako na naman dapat mag-decide, gusto na naman, o ako na naman ang
Kung ayaw
gagawin.
mo, magagalit ka.
Oo.
Oo.
So,
Pero
at
yun
least
nga.
malinaw na sa amin ngayon na ganun pala. Hindi pala nila yung sinasabi dahil ayaw lang nila ng
no.
argument. They're saying
No.
sometimes kasi, teka, sobrang dami na namin ginagawa. Kaya ikaw nang bahala dyan.
But if I had the time, tapos sinasabi saan gusto kumain, magsasagot talaga ako.
Or anong gustong gawin?
Anong gusto, sasagot talaga ako. Like I said, the worst case scenario, if I also can't make up my mind, I would give options.
Yan.
Always
at
3
least
options.
malinaw.
Tapos let's narrow it down from there.
So, hindi mali magsabi ng ikaw na bahala.
No, I don't think so.
O, ayan.
Okay
Nasagot
lang
na
yan.
natin yan.
Oo.
Nasagot na natin yan.
Hindi na kailangan paggawain yung mga bagay na ganyan.
Hindi masamang
hindi ko mali.
sabihin ang
Ikaw na bahala.
Pero ito, tayo bahala dito. Sa story ni letter sender, si Teka, sabi niya,
Spears?
tago ko daw yung pangalan
Britney?
niya.
Ano, Britney?
Britney
Nasabi
na
mo
lang,
yung pangalan.
tama.
Britney. Hindi Britney, Britney.
Sorry, kasi muntik ko masabi yung totoong name niya. Britney. Let's call her
alam mo
Britney.
na, sino may kasalanan pag tayo mademanda.
Eto na. Britney, sabi niya, hello, Sam and Chacha. My boyfriend hasn't reached out for 3 weeks since the last
Ay,
time we
nako
talked.
po.
3 linggo na. I'm an avid listener of yours.
Hindi naman si
And I
Gerald
need
to, no?
advice from you guys. Hindi.
Oh.
My boyfriend and I have been together for 4 years. So, naghiwalay kami 3 years ago kasi hindi niya daw kayang i-handle ang relationship and work stress at the same time. Pero nagkabalikan kami. He got promoted last year and transferred to a different site. I'm a very supportive girlfriend and happy ako for him. Pero we've been arguing more frequently because I'm always the one planning our dates and it feels like I'm the only one making an effort. 3 weeks ago, may fight kami because we hadn't seen each other for a month. So nag-effort ako to stay at his house since namimiss ko na siya. So Sunday, he was supposed to take me home. Pero sinabi ko, pwede ba Monday na lang? Nagalit siya.
Hala.
Kasi sabi niya, wala na daw siyang oras para sa sarili niya. Before I got out of the car, I told him that I promised to understand and support him, but there comes a time when I also need to take care of myself too. Gusto ko siyang bigyan ng space ngayon and gusto kong siya yung unang mag-message sa akin pag ready na siya to talk. Pero hanggang ngayon, 3 weeks na,
Ayun lang.
hindi pa rin nagme-message.
Patay kang bata.
I don't know what to do, if I should wait for him to reach out first or not. My friends told me to message him na. But this time, yung self-respect ko and love for myself are prevailing because I'm tired of chasing after him. Meron siyang avoidant attachment style. His child's mother cheated on him before. So I feel like he became like this because of what happened to him before. I love him so much, pero it's hard to love him. Britney.
Have you ever been said that line? Na, you know what? It's so hard to love you.
Oo naman, sa tagal namin ni Mike, may mga ganun. Hindi mo pa
Si Mike
hindi mo-
nagsabi, I was
Hindi,
expecting
hindi
na something from the past. Si Mike, Mike,
Ganun sa ugali ko
baka
to, hindi na
girl.
rin tayo magugulat na masabi sa akin ni Mike yun eh.
Kasi ako, nasabi sa akin yun, pero hindi yung asawa ko. So, somebody in the past, it's so hard to love you.
Meron. May mga ganung moments. Hindi ko ikakaila, guys.
Okay, ito, balik tayo dyan sa topic na very, I think, realistic situation where I think, I'm not sure, are we living in a world where we're just getting busier by the day? Like, even with the advancement of technology, we can do our emails on the fly. Dati kasi kailangan nasa harap kang computer. Nasa office ka. Diba? Ngayon, our emails are on our phones. Communication on our phones. Everything on our phones. But don't you feel the irony of it all that despite everything that's so convenient, madali na dapat lahat, parang wala
Mas
pa rin
nagiging
tayong time.
complicated. Oo.
Diba
Actually,
weird?
totoo yan. May point ka dyan. Kaya parang
And these
minsan
gadgets,
naisip
sorry,
ko.
before you continue. These gadgets are supposed to make our lives more convenient para mas may time tayo. Pero parang baliktad nangyayari.
True. Ako, I admit, there are really moments na papaisip ako, sana paano yung era natin before, na walang social media or walang phone.
Ako rin.
Sana ganun na lang, no, para mas simple yung buhay. Namimiss ko yung mga ganun. Kayo din ba?
Meron, di ba? That's why I
May
think
ganung
people
moments
who
right?
move to
I
the
think,
provinces, parang mas chill lang talaga sila.
sobra, nakakainggit.
Oo.
Tsaka mas madali sila makontento.
Wala na silang pakialam.
True.
Kung ano magpayabang kayo dyan sa city, whatever. Kami, gusto ko lang I wake up, I see the trees, I smell the flowers. Diba? That's life.
Oh well, parang sa problema nitong letter sender natin, may technology na, pero pareho pa rin
Wala pa
silang...
rin siyang time.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, naging topic na natin to before eh. Yung pagsasabi ng wala akong time, or yung pagsasabi ng walang time sa'yo yung partner mo, ang hirap tanggapin nun for me. Kasi nga may technology na, tas di ka pa rin nagka-oras to check on the
Okay.
person. How are you doing? I miss you. I hope to see you. Pagka, di ba, nagka-day off na tayo. I mean, mahirap
Ayun nga,
gawin
like,
yun.
diba, as I mentioned, ang dami nating ginagawa, pero lalo tayong walang time. And ako, there's a personal thing, like I think, yun nga, kami ni Esa, we also had that problem before, na parang lagi akong pagod, lagi akong walang time. And I value my personal time as well. No, so in as much as I value my time with Esa, I also value my alone time. Meron pa rin siyang bearing
So
factor
you're trying
for
to
me. So
understand the guy na baka
Yes.
because of super toxic yung work, hindi naman sa hindi ka mahal. There are really days na gusto niya mag-isa lang siya.
Yes, but also, nandyan yung anti-theory dyan na kung gusto mo, gagawin mo ng paraan.
At isama pa natin yung may problema nga siya dun sa past niya. Na parang yung sinasabi niya na meron daw avoidant attachment style tong boyfriend niya. So hindi niya ma-figure out, are you just tired? Or talaga bang gusto mo lang ng me time? Or kaya mo ako ginagawa slowly you're pushing me away kasi parang may trauma ka pa from your ex. Alin ba dun? Naguguluhan ako.
Okay. I'm gonna let's try to break it down in a different situation, different angles here. Number one, the whole time thing, no, in defense of the girl, I think if you need time, might be your love language, I'm not sure, but you have to tell your boyfriend about this.
Agree.
No? Now, if you're, kasi one of the most tiring things that could happen in a relationship, no, is that mapagod ka. Kasi feeling mo, ikaw na lang ang nag-e-effort. And you're gonna get to that point. Kung ikaw, if it's true enough that you're the one just putting in all the effort all the time, wala na siyang ginagawang effort, it is gonna get tiring at one point. Ngayon, siguro okay pa. Diba? You'll do it. Sige, gawin ko to. But at one point, nako, aabot ka rin sa point na, shit, ayoko na. Hands up na ako. And this is what's happening. Medyo gusto mong mag-hands up out of self-respect, di ba? Eh, hindi naman siya kumagat dyan sa ano mo. Sige, hindi ako mag-text. Hindi ka mag-text. Hindi rin siya nag-text, di ba? That could also be medyo for me, medyo
Red flag.
semi-red flag.
Same.
Because if he really wanted to spend time, mapapansin niya, teka lang. Diba? If this relationship really mattered to him, he would also put in the time. If his job matters to him, which he's putting in the time for, he would also put in the time for this relationship if it mattered to him.
So, parang papunta ka sa semi-red flag yung guy. So, tama yung decision ni Girl Lalo, ni Britney, na wag i-message to at intayin talaga yung guy na unang mag-message sa kanya.
For me, I'll actually talk to him.
To
tell him
end things?
No. And tell him exactly how I'm feeling. Na feeling mo ikaw lang gumagawa ng effort. Diba? I'm getting tired and frustrated, no? But I want to save our relationship. So let me know where you're at in this relationship. Are you still willing to put in the time? Are you still willing to make it work? Do you still want to make it work? Because I cannot make this work alone. I need you and me to put in the work together if we want this to succeed. That is my take on it.
Agree din ako sa sinabi mo kanina na semi-red flag yung atake nung guy, yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. Kasi I feel like pag seryoso ka, hindi mo rin matitiis ng ganung katagal, 3 linggo. Or baka ikaw may ganun kang moment, teka, baka may mga ganung tao din naman na ganun katagal magpahupa ng galit.
3 weeks
What was your
LDR,
longest?
sige, maintindihan ko.
Yung longest na nag-away kayo na hindi ka talaga nagparamdam kay S. Anong boyfriend, girlfriend pa lang kayo? It's a different thing na kapag mag-asawa kasi nasa
I
isang
think
bahay
1 week.
kayo. Ha, tagal din
1
nun
week, mag-boyfriend, that's the max, I think.
So,
na hindi kami nagkita. But that was a big fight before. Pero, yung dahil busy lang ako, I think max, yung hindi walang away, max was like 3 or 4 days.
and let's not forget,
Boyfriend, girlfriend na.
na hindi lang basta busy. Nung time na huli silang nag-usap nung girlfriend niya, itong si Britney. Sa dami ng pangalan kasi naman, talagang maring Britney yung pinangalan natin dito sa letters.
Britney nga. Lagyan mo kasi na H. Britney.
So, wag nating kalimutan na bukod dun sa sinabi nung guy na kailangan ko ng alone time. Importante sa akin yung me time ko. Sinabi yun sa kanya mismo nung guy, ilang days na silang hindi nagkikita nung araw na yun na nag-away sila. So, yung reason din siguro kung bakit I wanna stay a bit longer, gumaganon yung girl. Kasi nga na-miss kita. Ano ba naman yung ngayon mo ko ihahatid, bukas na lang.
Ako
Ano
na nga
naman yung
gumagawa
one
ng
day?
paraan.
And sometimes, di ba,
Ako
parang
na magsistay.
di ba, lalo pa pag pag di kayo masyado nagkikita and then nagkita kayo. Tapos nag-e-effort yung partner mo na, sige, I'll stay with you na lang. Kahit na may ginagawa ka. I'll just stay here para at least may time pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. Kapag ikaw, sobrang invested ka dun sa relationship, pag ganun yung partner mo, matutuwa ka na, uy, magsustay siya.
Yes.
Okay, sige, thank
Oo
you.
naman.
But you don't have to do it. Pero kung gusto mo, sige. Hindi yung magsusungit ka, sasabi mo, I need my alone time. So parang sa akin, ano nangyayari dun sa lalaki? Yun din ang naiisip ko.
That's why I said semi-red flag.
True.
I have to agree with you there. Kasi I remember during there was a time na, yun nga, si Esa had her place. So I used to go there. I'd spend time with her. Pero pagkatapos ko, sobrang pagod ako. Matulog na lang ako. Pero sa akin,
At least magkasama.
magkasama.
Oo.
Yun lang, of course, it came to the point na we all started arguing kasi nga, okay, nandiyan
Hindi
ka
ka
lang, pero you're not
nararamdaman.
really present.
True.
You're not present in the moment.
Hindi ka fully
You're just there
present.
physically. Which I understand.
Yeah.
No? Because like I said, I also need my alone time. Kaya nagtataka nga siya dati, may time ka mag-ride, pero para sa atin, wala kang time. Diba? Which I also told her na, these things matter to me kasi nga, yun yung parang...
Hindi niyo pwede isagot sa amin yun. Kasi pag sinabi mong
Alone time.
these things matter to me. So, teka, ako ba? Hindi. Sasagot yung girl ng ganon. So, I get where you're coming from, no? Dito sa letter sender natin, kung ba't ganyan yung nafe-feel mo. That's why I also have to agree with Sam na huwag ka na magpa-tweetums, kausapin mo na yung guy, rektahin mo na, tanungin mo na, ano ba itong nangyayari sa atin?
Gusto mo pa ba?
Gusto mo pa ba?
Are you still
Tutuloy pa
willing
ba
to put in
natin?
the effort?
Exactly. Kasi ang hirap
Ako na lang ba dito?
mahirap din naman mag-intay ng pagkatagal-tagal. What if abutin niya ng 3 months? Hindi mo sure kami pa ba or hindi pa? Ang hirap maiwan hanging.
Yes.
So it's better kausapin mo kahit pa ikaw yung unang nag-reach out, at least alam mo nasan ba kayo, ano yung position nyo.
I have to agree with that kasi nga at the end of the day you also have to know where he stands, diba? Because sayang naman ng time, sayang ng effort, if wala na pala kayo on the same page. You need to know if you guys are still on the same page.
Agree. Tapos when we are in a relationship and we wanted me time, pwede naman natin yung sabihin sa partner natin in a nice way. Hindi, umalis ka dito, gusto ko ng me time.
Hindi ba palayasin ganun?
Wag, diba?
Pinalayas.
Babe, pwede ba ako pagkagaya mo, pag nagpapaalam ka, gusto mo magbike, I'm sure nilalambing mo si Esa. Diba?
Actually ngayon, di na nga kasi sakto, umuwi ako bago siya magising.
Yan!
Yun ang
Ganyan
style. So, tulog siya
dapat. Mag-ride kayo
siya
ng
pagkaalis
maaga,
ko.
alas 4 ng
Oo.
umaga, alas 6, alas 7, nasa bahay kayo.
No, diba? Uwi ka maaga. Di, pagkagising niya, nasa bahay na. Hindi pa siya gising, nasa bahay na ako. Hindi nga niya alam umalis ako. Diba? Diba?
Kaya pala
Ayun
di na
tayo.
nag-aaway. So, ayun, I mean, pwede ka pa rin naman mag-me time even if you are in a
definitely.
relationship.
I respect that. Ako, I respect the me
True.
time, no? But, at the same time, if you really want something, you really have to put in the time and the effort. And this goes for everything in
Amen.
life, no?
Agree.
It's not just you want to be good at something, you put in the time to be good at it. You want the relationship to work, you put in time to be good at it. You need your me time, you put in time. Kung wala kang time, put in time for yourself. But everything is all about balance. Kasi yun nga, work ka ng work, at the end of the day, para saan? Ang gagawin mo dyan? Diba? Ubus ka nga. O sige, mayaman ka. Tapos mag-isa ka, lonely ka.
Amen. Tsaka lagi
Diba?
tayong
What
may
gives?
oras sa mga bagay at tao na gusto natin sa buhay natin.
That is correct. Diba? Kasi life is too short. So, you
Ay,
never
hindi
know
daw
what's gonna happen
Nabasa ko
next.
yung post mo eh. Sabi
I
ni...
can relate. Mahaba talaga siya. Sabi, parang hindi naman. Thank you guys for listening to our podcast. We are gonna go on a season break
Oh, yeah.
after this episode. So we should be back in about 3 weeks or so. Mga ganon, no? But keep writing to us. Keep us posted on your problems or anything that we can help you with. We are on Facebook. We are on Instagram. We are on Twitter. We are also on Spotify. It's Lecheng Pag-ibig to the number 2. Yun.